Hi guys, it's me again. It's me again. I'm going to be doing the spicy noodles. So, there's milk.
Dora's cousin.
That's it?
Wait a second. That's
There you go. That's a regular Diego, not a special. Caitlin has two more. I think we'll just show this one now and then show the other one later. Come on, Caitlin.
I'm eating A. No A.
It's tape.
A.
Totally yucky.
All right, Caitlin, you can pull back the paper. Ready?
Give me
Go. You got boots. They all got Dora and Diego, and you got boots. That's funny. That's cute. Yeah. She can. I thought it'd be fun to get them all like a Dora and Diego thing. And it looks like she's gonna bite Boots, aren't you? Yeah. Okay. Let's bring Boots back to your seat. So all the babies except for Liam, Caitlin, and Keely have opened all their presents, and they're just kind of like playing with them. So we're gonna do everyone's other presents now. I think we're actually gonna do Caitlin, then Liam, then Kaylee this time instead of the youngest oldest. So I'm gonna get Caitlin back over here. Okay, so we might lose Auntie. Battery's getting low. But here we go. I'm getting off Caitlin's tape. I do remember what this is. I almost forgot. Try not to show what it is. There we go. Alright, Caitlin, ready? Let's open it. Here we go. Look what you got. It's a little people monkey. This is a little people monkey. It's for like babies. It's for Fisher Price. So, what do you think of that, Auntie?
That's for you spit.
Yeah, here you go, Caitlin.
That's for you spit.
Right, here is Liam's last present.
Spit.
Here we go, Liam. Okay, here we go,
That
Liam.
is the
Let's
best.
open it up.
That milk.
Look, it's another Bob the Builder. This one's a Lego guy. Liam got a Bob the Builder Lego guy. Show Auntie. Whoa. Yeah, let's show the camera, Liam. Here, can you show them? This is a little Lego Bob the Builder. It's a Lego Duplo. So here we go. Let's bring this back to your chair. All the babies are like playing with their presents, and Kaylee is really anxious to open hers, and I think she's really going to like it. It's pretty big. So you ready, Kaylee?
As ready as I'll ever be.
I'll ever hate that's a good answer. Alright, I didn't open the gap.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Huh? Oh my goodness. Haley, what'd you get? Happen. A horsey, a horsey, a horsey. Shanti.
Alright, here, show the camera. Its hat comes off. Which is cute. Its little saddle comes off. It's got some hair she can play with. Its legs move. It's yellow. Do you want to try and sit on it like Auntie said?
Yeah.
Alright. It's going to be...
Dora.
Oh. Here, put your Dora on it. Here. Let's see. Does Dora like horses?
Yeah.
Okay, Dora likes horses. There we go. That's really cute. Here, let's show Auntie. Dora riding a horsey.
Look at it, I love it. It's the best present ever.
I know, that's why I wanted to do that very last.
Thank you.
Oh, hugging me through the camera? Yeah. Give me a real hug.
Okay.
Well, I would say this is a pretty successful Christmas. Everyone looks really happy. Keely, are you happy with your gifts?
Yes, very.
Emma?
Yeah, I love them.
Valerie?
Yeah.
Autumn?
Lucille, you excited? You happy with your presents?
Yeah? Liam? Caitlin? Yeah, alright. So, thank you all for watching. Please click like and subscribe.
Okay.
And I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Christmas, and to all of you who are going to say Merry Christmas to us in the comments, thank you. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. We'll see you all later. This is probably going to be my last video of today because it's Christmas and I have to go to my relative's house.
Light Chase! Light Chase is Light his mouth. Get him, Chase, get him.
Come on. I just hurt my foot. It's okay. Just put it down. I just hurt my foot.
Light Chase! Light Chase is Light his mouth. Get him, Chase, get him.
Come on. I just hurt my foot. It's okay. Just put it down. I just hurt my foot. You're watching some lost footage from the Skylander kids when they were tiny. Hey, I'm eating something.
A Ruptor? He's eating your pancake?
I eat a spicy noodle.
Jeez, why is your Ruptor eating your pancake?
Chase, who do you have? Light Ruptor? You Ruptor's gonna eat your pancake. That's his wow pow, right guys?
Ruptor, you're a bad boy. Go to your room right now. The crying baby?
No, he eats pancakes.
Give me that pancake. Give me that pancake. Give me that. Ooh, pick it up. Pick it up.
Good job. Uh-oh, your pancake fell.
Some people
That's why we don't
put
walk in the house with
it
our
in a
shoes
box
on.
like a
Totally
noodle.
tattoo kid eats off the floor. Chase,
Thank you.
up high.
Wait, I want to do it. Chase up high. Up high.
Chase, look at all these crumbs.
Chase,
You definitely are a light cord, Chase. You make a mess. Up high, down low, in the middle, to low.
up high. And down low. In the middle.
Up high, down low, in the middle, just low.
In the middle.
Whoa, look at his mouth.
Actually, his eyes light up. Light color.
Light cord. No, Chase, hey. Aw, Chase. Chase. Aw, look at the mess, bro.
Now the terrapin doesn't have sidekick anymore.
Aw. What'd you say? Let's get that wow pow. Let's get that wow pow. Let's get that wow pow. Chase, that's Michael's girlfriend. That's Michael's girlfriend.
No, it isn't.
You like Persephone.
I'll rip her face off.
Hey, I'll crush your crusher shirt. Chase, you can't go in the game. Ew, Michael, why you gotta be so gross, bro?
Wait, you did.
Ew. Oh. Chase, come back here. Look, he looks like he drank way too much
What
soda.
about you eat? He said no.
Peekaboo!
Kaya niya ako. What do you say?
It's hot. It's hot.
You ain't going nowhere. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. I'm gonna tickle you. Chase, is that really cool to stand on top of a Wii U? You beat it?
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Give me now. That's not too.
Oh, it's not ready.
To the G-I-C element, and we're in a place to be. We gotta listen up quick as a couple of sticks, like a brick and ball down. It's the magic. First one to go, you should already know. It's the dragon by the name of what's Sparrow. Keep back and let's get that spell bones. Say nothing to let your ass. The building shake it till the bottle explodes. This is the ultimate record to fall off, going toast. That's what my Cyclops is. It's Ninja, a Barocadabra, but you win it, James, even there's a law. And the poison plays it, skirt to like to say any last wishes today. It's the L-I-F-E, how you can't live without life. Or put a scarlet up in a portal, you better make sure your choice is right. Silent but deadly, you know who it is. Stealth bell,
Remember to the house of that.
and play slasher, a grip or dagger. Dragon fangs, it's all blaze ninja master. You're gonna be a rapper when you grow up. Guess what? I can tell. I already know how to do one song. The whole thing.
Really?
But don't get on, kid.
Go. You like recording, huh? High five.
No! No!
Is it a furnace?
A furnace? Yeah, it could be a furnace.
Open it! Furnace! The sink! Whoa! What is that?
Chase, I think you're about to be Spyro. Which one's your favorite?
Jetpack.
Jetpack? Nice. Chase, which one's your favorite? You want to be Spyro?
Yeah.
Okay.